yes, are you a celebrity with swag and fashion? Do you have all what it takes to be showcased? Then you don't need to worry. Bedu International Magazine has got you covered. Bedu International Magazine is specialized in fashion, politics, and entertainment. We're on standby to take your event to the next level. Do you wish to be seen globally on your next event? Then Bedu International Magazine is what you need. We cover dedication, wedding ceremony, birthday party, coronation, church programs, Islamic gatherings, funerals, and lots more. Remember that the whole magazine belongs to your event. Be it 50 or 100 pages, you can reach us on 077-9301-7688 and 234-701-533-8955 or visit our website www.bedroommountain.com. Gmail, bedroommountain@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Also, you can download our app on App Store and Google Play. Call on Bedroom Mountain today and
London, Nikki's Kitchen can deliver to you. Check out at Nikki's Kitchen 1 on Instagram to find out more. Also subscribe to Nikki's Kitchen on YouTube to learn how to make the best Nigerian dishes. If you want to learn how to make Nigerian food, or watch tutorials on cooking, then you should tune into Nikki's Kitchen on YouTube. Call 0772305932 to make your first order.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me again. You know how we do it. This is how we do it. And this is how we always do it. Don't forget. Yeah, hello once again and welcome back to Bedroom Magazine show. As we all know, we always say this and we always repeat ourselves. Nigeria will never work. And Nigeria is not working, as you all know. We come out and tell you one or two things that's happening in the country and how what you see and what happened in the news and how Nigeria is treating we Nigerians in all over the world. If you were with me yesterday, we were talking about this soldier that came out and talked about what happened, that is saying bad thing about, saying bad, not really bad thing, saying what really happened between soldier and Boko Haram. Being a soldier and Boko Haram, and he was arrested 3 days ago. Oshiwalo is still in their hand, and we are calling for every Nigeria to come out and let's shout and let's talk about it until they release him, because what he said, everything is true. Nothing is but the truth. If you may remember, I'm going to play the video for you again. This is the video again. If you may... There's the video again.
When General Buratai, this is the troops in the northeast around February.
Yeah, this is the video again. I'm playing to you again. The guy that said everything now is in their custody, and you are looking for better Nigeria.
This video
is in their custody. What if
intelligence of the Nigerian army.
And we are telling them to leave him, but you know Nigeria now.
After the video was leaked, General Adeniyi was recalled.
You know Nigeria now. When things like this happen, that's why you see them so happy. The guy that said everything about the soldier that reported how Nigeria is not producing enough ammunition for them to go to war is in their hand now. Ó wà lágége wọn. Ó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn sì wọ́n release ẹ̀ wọ́n múlẹ̀ because ó jáde ó sòtọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. But when will we going to be in the right mind in that country? Ìjọ́ wo ni ìlú yẹn máa jẹ́ ìlú gidi? This is the reason why tàbí sọ fún yín. It's not because of us. Àwa wà okay. It's because of all the poor people in Nigeria. You need to come out and fight for yourself. You need to come out and fight for your rights. And what is your right? Kí ni right yín? You know your rights. When somebody come out and say something that we all know that is the truth, what do we supposed to do? We supposed to support that person, not to stay back. Mọ̀pọ́lẹ̀ ni gbogbo yín ẹ̀ lè sọ̀rọ̀. But ẹ bá rẹ̀ ń tó lè tó sọ̀rọ̀, ó yẹ kí gbogbo ajá ká jáde ká bínú. But no, gbogbo yẹn máa lẹ̀ dì mọ́lé ni. Ẹ máa lẹ̀ dì mọ́lé ni. Awolowo have been saying this since all those years. We do nothing about it. All what we call say bàbá yẹn ò gbádùn. But now we all realize that he's saying the truth, but awala létí láti gbọ́ràn. I'm not going to spend more than 1 hour because we have a meeting I'm going to. But that 1 hour, I want us to make use of it. If you are watching, help us share. If you don't want to share, don't share. It's okay. But end of the day, we're going to come here, tell you what is going on in that country. The reason why we are asking for Oduduwa land. We are asking for Oduduwa land because of things like this. When a Nigerian come out and say, this thing is true, let's deal with it. No, it's not to my own people. It's not to our own people. That truth will never be true to anybody of them. All of them will keep quiet. Ojo. That's what they call Ojo. That's what they use. All they call we Yorubas. They call us coward. Yes, they call us coward because we see the rights, but we never come out and fight for the rights. We always come out and fight for the wrong thing. We all see all Yorubas there. Now we are calling you that let's have our own Yoruba land. Nobody is saying anything. Everybody keep quiet. As if that if you have the Yoruba land, our leaders in the past, they did a very big mistake. And we keep on telling you the mistake. If say Awolowo, Obasanjo, Abiola, all those people that have those money in the past stand for their rights, don't you think we have a better place to stay in now? But no, they don't stand for their rights. They stay in one place looking at everybody. Now, look at what happened in Nigeria now. Nothing is working. Do you read anything working? Everybody now is asking for help from other people. I'm going to play you a video, but after this video, let me finish this video for the case of people that didn't watch it yesterday.
General Buratai told Nigerians that he is relocating to the northeast to end the fight against its insurgency. After he relocated in April, in May, Nigerian soldiers were ambushed. Do you also remember the video that was leaked? That Nigerian soldiers You were supposed to be a man of valor, of strength, of courage. You were crying in that video, attacking General Buratai, saying that Nigerian soldiers, Nigeria don't kill us finish. Buratai, it will be better for you for life. Do you remember that video? Just in May, after the relocation of the Chief of Army Staff Buratai to the northeast, and assuring Nigerians that we put an end to the insurgency over there. Why was he not part of those that was ambushed? If he truly was part of those fighting against insurgency. I cry. Okay, now, as if that is not enough, in June, we saw the execution of the Nigerian soldiers by the Boko Haram sect. This is still after Buratai relocated to the northeast. Now ask yourself the question, is he still there? Has he left? Is he doing the fighting? Or is he playing a mockery on the Nigerian people? Okay, now let's come to recently. Lance Corporal Martins made a video some few days ago explaining in details, telling us that he has lost loyalty in Buratai but not loyalty in Nigeria. Because Buratai is no longer loyal to Nigerians. He has lost loyalty in him, he does not believe in him, he does not believe in the fight against Boko Haram. That he has been led to battle without weapons. This is what General Adeni also said. And a lot of other military personnel have been saying this.
You hear that they will send your soldiers to war without no weapons. Ẹran ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ní iná kan lọ jà. And then they will tell you that something is wrong. What will the military do? They bring them down. Look at the general they first talk about. He went there, nígbà tó máa pa ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ó pariwo video link. Hey, you are the people that link the video. You are the Boko Haram. You are Nigerian soldier. And now people are telling you that this is going wrong. Now you start locking those people up. And everybody in Nigeria will keep quiet. Our politicians will shut up. None of them see anything wrong with it. We shout. They turn us to nuisance. Now, do you see the poor man, the poor corporal, Lawrence that came out, use HH Demole after I read the constitution for you. Now, what we are doing, I'll be doing this every day. I'll be shouting here every day until they leave him, because that boy is an hero. You know what he said in that video? I have the full video, but I haven't got enough time. I could have played it for you today. He said, my friends offer me to leave the country, but I said no, I want to fight for the country. Can you imagine? On fẹ́ jà fún country tí ò wúlò fún, country tí ò ní good, tí ò care about him. Now they pick him up, he's in jail somewhere. And you know Nigeria, when they pick you up, they will not release you for no reason. We are using this platform to tell Nigerian military to release Corporal, to release him, let him go, because he hasn't done anything wrong. If he has done anything wrong, they could have sued him to court. But if they are taking it to court, let us know, because you are ready to be there. Release Corporal, let the Corporal go home. He hasn't done anything wrong. If you are listening to me, please help sharing that. Let's keep listening to the video.
These things and Nigerians have been keeping quiet. They have been asking the big question, that what is happening with this fight against Boko Haram? Our soldiers are dying, our brothers, our fathers, everybody are out there dying in the northeast without weapons. Yet Buratai claims that in the northeast fighting Boko Haram. How long will we continue to keep quiet? Corporal Martins has given us a tip of what is happening right there, and yet we are looking, sitting down, doing nothing. He has been arrested, he has been picked up. This is a sacrifice that he has made, but yet we keep quiet. Nobody's asking questions. How many more lives will be lost? How many more will die before Nigerians will rise to the occasion? Before we take this country back, how long will it take? How many individual lives will be lost? But collectively, we can take this back, because it's just a few persons that have politically hijacked this country. For many of us. Let's Corporal Martins, we are solidly behind you, and we begin to ask questions. Nothing must happen to him. The Nigerian people are tired of your lies. We are tired of your deceit. We are tired of tyranny. No, we cannot continue to sabotage the efforts of our young soldiers, killing our youth, sending them to go and die in the hands of Boko Haram. Meanwhile, they are part of the causes of this insurgency. How many more will die? Nigerians, wake up. Wake up. When your military men begin to cry, then you know that there's a problem. When our military men who are supposed to stand and defend us begin to wail, then you know there's a problem. This is my part I am playing as an individual, as a citizen of this country. I am playing my part. So I say in the words of that soldier that made that video after the ambush of our Nigerian soldiers, saying, Buratai, you know go better for you for life. Say it. It's time to be fearless. Say it, everybody. Make it trend, make it go. Let him know that we are not happy and we are aware of the situation. Buratai, you know go better for you for life. Buratai, you know go better for you for life. I will say it here, there, and anywhere. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. No food, no water, no security. How long will they continue to hijack this country from us? We need to take it back. We need to take it strong. We need to get up and get serious with this country. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Don't wait until it gets to you. It is time to collectively come and take this country back. It is time. Buratai, it will be better for you for life. Those are our brothers, fathers, friends dying out there. Enough is enough.
Finish.
Listen, before I get out of this video, I need to show you something. If you are a woman, you are somebody that have a heart. Look at all these soldiers. Look at this soldier. Look at all of them. You see them? They will send them to fight Boko Haram with no ammunition. That's what they are saying. Let me play to the end. I'm going to slow it down. You see? Enough is enough. You see? You see your country you call Nigeria? You see the country you call Nigeria? You see it? Do you see them? They will send them. They know there's ambush. It's our Nigeria army is the Boko Haram. Our Nigeria army is still our Nigeria army because there's nothing they will do. They always leak. He always leak to their hand. Look at Chad. Chad went down there last time and clear all these people that Nigeria have not been able to clear for years. And now you are telling me Nigeria is working. You are telling me Nigeria is working. You still believe in that country called Nigeria. How can you blame Nnamdi Kanu? How would you blame Sowore? Because the right thing, we refuse to do it. Me and you should refuse to do the right thing. Look, that's your children. Those are the people fighting for you. We spend trillion naira every day, but nothing to use for the army, for the soldiers. The soldiers will carry your money out of the country. We know how many of them, the other chief of naval staff, the other time, they kill him. Why did they kill him? He was killed because the money in his hand is too much. When he's going to court, they're supposed to make sure he go to court and do something about him. What did they do? They get rid of him. He was killed. And then after he was killed, what happened? Nothing. Did we hear the story about the money anymore? No. Did we hear anything about the money? No. This is Nigeria for you. And that's what they will always do. Once they get rid of you, they get rid of you. Nothing you can do. We didn't hear anything. We didn't hear anything about the money. Everything keep quiet. Everything was quiet. Everything was quiet. And now you are sitting down there. You think Nigeria is going to work. Listen, this is no fight. They've been running us for a long time. These Fulani people have been taking over everything. But this is the time we need to come together and said, Nigeria, we've expired. 100 years has gone. No, we need to have our own land, Ojuduwa land, simple as ABC. So we could get rid of all those idiots that they're making our life miserable. I have a video of which was the name of this guy that died last week. The house that he built after he collected the land, he still built a big house in Oyo State there. Why he could not pay for small kids to go to school? And we are talking about Nigeria, and then nothing has been done to him. He walked away. All our politicians, they will go and steal the money, and nothing will happen to them. They walk away, and our people in the country are suffering. And we keep on telling you, these people are suffering. But what can they do? Nothing. Listen to this lady. Listen to this lady. Listen.
Orúkọ mi ni Esther Olúwa ló lè ṣe. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ní ìlú Ilé-Ifẹ̀. A bí mi ní ọdún 1991 May 3rd. Ìyá mi bí mi pẹ̀lú
Before I continue the video, in a proper country, nílùú tó gbádùn, irú obìnrin ta ló yẹ kó look after ẹ̀? Ta ló yẹ kó look after ẹ̀ nílùú tó gbádùn? Even though báwọn òbí ẹ̀ bá ṣe tán ní wọ́n rán lọ school. Ó yẹ kí ìlú tó gbádùn lọ mú kọ́nà lọ sí school ni. We've done so many things like this on our program before. We have to raise money for them to become somebody. Ojo, if you all remember Ojo, the blind one, the one in university, the one that was in university, don't carry law, but Nigerian government will sponsor it. Thank God to everybody that is watching. Now he's happy. He's really, really happy all the time. Anytime I talk to him, he keep on praying for everyone that supported him. Now we have another one here. Let's listen to what she's going to say, because it's just like Nigeria will never help them if we didn't do anything.
Ìyá mi bí mi láì lójú, ṣùgbọ́n mo bí Ọlọ́run ga pé Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn orin. Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn orin. Láti kékeré ni mo ti wà ní abẹ́ ìyá bàbá mi. Ìyá bàbá mi ti gbé mi ká láti orí òkè kan sí mi tí wọ́n rò pé bóyá ogun ayé ni. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní ewé kan ò ní bọ́ lára igi, Ọlọ́run má mọ̀ sí. Mo gbé Ọlọ́run ga. Bí mo ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, mo ní ọmọ kékeré kan lọ́wọ́ mi tí mo bí. Láti pàdé mi àti bàbá ẹ̀ ti jọ pàdé tí mo ti lóyún láti fira sílẹ̀ tó ti lóun ò lè fẹ́ afọ́jú sílé. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó ń wò mí àtẹ̀tí tó ń gbọ́ mi, mo nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú. Ó wù mí kémi náà jẹ́ èèyàn, èmi náà fẹ́ fi ṣe orin jẹun. Mo ní ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín, mi ò kọ́ ẹni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá lè ṣe fún mi. Mo fẹ́ ra irinṣẹ́, mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ sí School of Music. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú tó ń gbọ́ mi àtẹ̀tí tó ń wò mí, mo nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín. Gbogbo yín náà máa rí àánú gbà. Màá fi account number mi síta fún yín nísìnyí. Ẹni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá lè ṣe fún mi, gbogbo yín náà lè máa ráàánú gbà. Account number mi ni 01 17 86 83 01 01 17 86 83 01 GT Bank Esther Oyewọ̀wé. Àpè phone number mi bóyá ní ọ̀rọ̀ kan tàbí méjì ẹ fẹ́ bá mi sọ. Bí mo ṣe wà yìí, mò ń kọrin nílé ìjọsìn, mò ń kọ níbi ìsìnkú àgbà, mò ń kọ níbi ìgbéyàwó. Yálà ẹ nílò olórin tó fẹ́ tẹ́ fẹ́ kó kọrin fún yín níbi fíìmù, màá ṣe é. Yálà ẹ tẹ̀ wá ní ìtàn kan tó papọ̀ mọ́ ìtàn ìgbésí ayé mi tẹ́ nílò àkàndá bíi tèmi, màá ṣe é. Mo ṣáà nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú láti sọ èmi náà di ènìyàn. Màá pe fóònù nọ́mbà mi síta nísìn. Fóònù nọ́mbà mi ni 081 32 01 65 16 081 32 01 65 16. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Kò sí bó ti rí o, kí wọ́n máa gbògo. Kò sí bó ti rí o,
ṣe gbóhùn ọmọ ṣe gbóhùn ṣe gbóhùn gbogbo ẹni tí bá ti gbọ́ nọ́mbà ẹ̀ call her, it's free. Call her and talk to her, she will pick up your phone. Ẹni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe fún ẹ ṣe fún ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe fọ́lọ́run. Ìpò tá a bá ń dóde kọ́ńtì tó ń pè Nàìjíríà yẹn kò lè rí ìrànlọ́wọ́ láéláé o. Bọ̀ tá a bá ní pé ká wo láti ọ̀dọ̀ wa wá ká náà ṣe nǹkan tó lọ́run ní ká ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún. Bó jẹ́ £1 ló lè fi sínú àkáǹtì ẹ̀, bó jẹ́ 500 ló lè fi sínú àkáǹtì ẹ̀, bó jẹ́ o fẹ́ lù ṣe fíìmù o lè pè, bó bá fẹ́ kọrin ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹ̀yin ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tẹ́mọ̀yàn lò ẹ pè kẹ́ fún lówó. Tẹ́bá fẹ́ ṣe kó mọ ẹ pé ẹ bá kò sí nǹkan tó burú bẹ́ẹ̀ láti support ẹ̀. Stevie Wonder ò ṣàríran òun náà ń kọrin billionaire dẹ̀ ló jẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká try láti pè orúkọ ẹ̀ Esther ni. Ẹ bá ti pè ẹni gbẹ̀dú ní kẹ́ pè kẹ́ fún ní 1000 ó ti pè account number fún gbogbo yín. Ẹ ṣe lóore ẹ ṣe láàánú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe láàánú kò sí nǹkan tó ní ká má ṣe láàánú. Kò sí nǹkan ní ká máa ràn lọ́wọ́. Hello ṣe Esther nìyẹn. Hold on. Hello ṣé o ń gbọ́ mi. Engineer, why is this still not on? Hold on, why is it not working? Hello ṣé o ń gbọ́ mi. Ok, ó wà lórí program mi sí kí lórúkọ ẹ ti ń jẹ́ jàre.
Orúkọ mi ni Esther.
Esther kí ló ń jẹ́ o.
Olúwa ló lè ṣe.
Olúwa ló lè ṣe Esther. Ok àti play fídíò ẹ lórí program wa dẹ̀ fẹ́ kó sọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ kó ṣe fún ẹ. Hello iṣẹ́ ayé nìyẹn o. Engineer, this is not working. It's not working. Ṣàyé nìyẹn o. Network ti lọ. Anyway, gbogbo. If you are watching me and you have any help to do for her, listen to the video again. I'm going to play the video until we get her so you could help her. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ràn lọ́wọ́ kò sí nǹkan tó ní ká má ràn ra lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ káàsán o, gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí àti etí tó ń gbọ́ mi. Orúkọ mi ni Esther, Olúwa ló lè ṣe é. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ní ìlú Ilé Ifẹ̀. A bí mi ní ọdún 1991 May 3rd. Ìyá mi bí mi pẹ̀lú àìlójú. Ìyá mi bí mi láìlójú. Ṣùgbọ́n mo gbé Ọlọ́run ga pé Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn orin. Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn orin. Láti kékeré ni mo ti wà ní abẹ́ ìyá bàbá mi. Ìyá bàbá mi ti ń gbé mi ká láti orí òkè kan sí mi tí wọ́n rò pé bóyá ogun ayé ni. Ṣùgbọ́n
iṣẹ́ èṣù
wọ́n
nílé.
lé kan ò ní bọ́ lára igi. Ọlọ́run máa mọ̀ sí i. Mo gbé Ọlọ́run ga. Bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí mo ní ọmọ kékeré kan lọ́wọ́ mi tí mo bí. Láti pàtẹ́ni àti bàbá ẹ̀ ti jọ pàdé tí mo ti lóyún láti fira sílẹ̀ tó ti lóun ò lè fẹ́ àfọ́jú sílé. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó ń wò mí àtẹtí tó ń gbọ́ mi mo nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú. Ó wù mí kémi náà jẹ́ èèyàn. Èmi náà fẹ́ fi ṣe orin jẹun. Mo ní ìdìrànlọ́wọ́ yín, mi ò kọ́ ẹni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá lè ṣe fún mi. Mo fẹ́ ra irinṣẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ sí School of Music. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú tó ń gbọ́ mi àtẹtí tó ń wò mí mo nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín. Gbogbo yín náà máa rí àánú gbà. Màá pe account number mi síta fún yín nísìnyí. Ẹni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá lè ṣe fún mi gbogbo yín náà lè máa rà àánú gbà. Account number mi ni 01 17 86 83 01 17 86 83 01 GT Bank Esther Oyèwọ̀wé. Àpè fóònù nọ́mbà mi bóyá ní ọ̀rọ̀ kan tàbí méjì ẹ fẹ́ bá mi sọ bí mo ṣe wà yìí mò ń kọrin nílé ìjọsìn, mò ń kọ́ níbi ìsìnkú àgbà, mò ń kọ́ níbi ìgbéyàwó. Yálà ẹ nílò olórin tó fẹ́ tẹ́ fẹ́ kó kọrin fún yín níbi fíìmù, màá ṣe é. Yálà ẹ tẹ̀ wá ní ìtàn kan tó papọ̀ mọ́ ìtàn ìgbésí ayé mi tẹ́ nílò àkàndá bíi tèmi, màá ṣe é. Mo ṣáà nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú láti sọ èmi náà di ènìyàn. Màá pe fóònù nọ́mbà mi síta nísìn. Fóònù nọ́mbà mi ni 081 32 01 65 16 081 32 01 65 16. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Kò sí bó ti rí o, kí wọ́n máa gbogbo. Kò sí bó ti rí o, kí wọ́n máa gbogbo. Elédùmarè, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ìyanu ni. Elédùmarè, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ìyanu ni. Ẹ ṣé o.
Ṣẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ, do you listen to her? She said she need your help. Anything you could do to help her. Listen, she doesn't say you should come and give her million. Oh God, am I crazy? Internet is very, very. Oh God, let me check my internet. I don't know what's going on. Okay, all what she's asking us to do for her is to just support her. You know, some people will ask you to give them money, but no, she didn't do that. She says you support her, and this is what she wants to do with her money. Tó bá wà ní ìlú gidi tí ìlú tó gbádùn, kò ní láti wá sórí rédíò àbórí TV láti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ fún owó, but torí pé ìlú yẹn ò gbádùn, torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe láti máa wá, everyone láti máa wá. Ẹ wo Òjó, màá padà sórí story Òjó. Ẹ tẹ́ bá mọ̀, I will play for you. Òjó Israel, I play him. When we interview Òjó Israel.
Yes.
Okay, listen to him.
Honor and humility. I, Òjó Israel Temitope, the blind student from Rufus Giwa Polytechnic, or Ondo State, Nigeria. A blind, an orphan, I graduated from school for the blind of Ondo State. He's using this medium to show a sign of appreciation to those who have come to my aid in aspects of my education, and financially, spiritually, physically, mentally, and socially. In fact, I'm so grateful to everybody. People from Nigeria, groups, individuals and societies from Nigeria, from US, America, London, UK, United Kingdom, Dublin, and so on. In fact, if I should say I should be mentioning names, this clip won't permit me. But if I should say I should mention him, I will mention some names, then I will leave some. But for people not to say maybe I'm bisexual, I'm not, as I appreciate some than other. That's why I'm thanking everybody. But everybody that has participated in assisting me, I pray may the Lord God enrich your cost. More power, more funds into your account. Enormous blessings from above. Enjoy. Every yoke and limitation restricting your ability to perform to an expectation is destroyed by the name of the Almighty God. I'm so grateful to everybody. Yes, but please, you know I'm a disabled, I'm an orphan. Everything depends on you people. For now, till when I finish my course in the next 3 years, you know, I'm still in your hands. Please don't be tired. Please, sir and ma. I still need your enormous assistance. You know, for me to feed and some other things which I still need to do. You know, as a disabled, it's only when I have a job I know I cannot sustain myself. But please, whatever you still God put in your mind, please, you can still use to assist me. Please, sir and ma, see I'm protesting. Please, sir and ma, you can still use it to assist me. But my phone number is 090322370 040. Then my account details: Polaris Bank, formerly Sky Bank, 3027946152. Then please, in conjunction, I have Access Bank also. Access Bank, yes, 1391149608. Please, Sam, I pray as you help me to forward this video to many to your contacts, to groups, to forums, to platforms. I pray may the Lord God Almighty forward it to your glory. It's your success storyline. Every yoke and limitation restricting your ability to perform talents is destroyed. And every hand that are going to be helping me, that will helping me, I pray may the Lord God send and help her. That's more than million helpers from above to you also, to your children. Everywhere you and your children go to, you will always beseech the mercy of the Lord and of human being. Thank you very much. I you go to know you. Emma Pada no Pado. I you if you know what you. Pada Salabro in you. If you are also alone, thank you very much, everybody. I'm very grateful. My name is Ojo Israel Timitoko, but please, I still need your enormous assistance for me to actualize my dream.
You see, that's one of the things Nigeria will turn you to. But the guy today is doing fine. That's why we bring our sister into for you to support her. To support her over kọrin. Ẹ jẹ́ kó kọrin. Ẹ jẹ́ kó kọrin. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mi lè gé ẹ̀tẹ̀ padà sí torí nẹ́tọ̀kì gbà.
Orúkọ mi ni Esther Olúwa ló lè ṣe. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ní ìlú Ilé-Ifẹ̀. A bí mi ní ọdún 1991 May 3rd. Ìyá mi bí mi pẹ̀lú àìlójú. Ìyá mi bí mi láìlójú. Ṣùgbọ́n mo gbé Ọlọ́run ga pé Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn orin. Ọlọ́run fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn orin. Láti kékeré ni mo ti wà ní abẹ́ ìyá bàbá mi. Ìyá bàbá mi ti gbé mi ká láti orí òkè kan sí mi.
Network Nigeria.
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní ewé kan ò ní bọ́ lára igi.
Network
Ọlọ́run
Nigeria.
wá mọ̀ sí. Mo gbé Ọlọ́run ga. Bí mo ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, mo ní ọmọ kékeré kan lọ́wọ́ mi tí mo bí. Láti pàdé ní àti bàbá ẹ̀ ti jọ pàdé tí mo ti lóyún láti fira sílẹ̀ tó ti lóun ò lè fẹ́ àfọ́jú sílé. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó ń wò mí àti tí tó ń gbọ́ mi, mo nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú. Ó wù mí kémi náà jẹ́ èèyàn, èmi náà fẹ́ fi ṣe orin jẹun. Mo ní ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín, mi ò kọ́ ẹni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá lè ṣe.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ nílùú òyìnbó àbí ní Amẹ́ríkà tá kébẹ̀ lóbìnrin yìí wà ní kò ní láti ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí. Obìnrin yìí lè kọrin, ó lè má lọ school, I'm not arguing, but only government ló yẹ kó look after them. Local government yẹ kó mọ̀ pé they have an access. Bó ṣe wà yìí wọ́n lè gbé dé Amẹ́ríkà kó bẹ̀ sí kó di superstar, but now ó ń bẹ̀bẹ̀, ó fi àsìkò yìí bẹ̀bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wa pé ká jọ ká ràn òun lọ́wọ́. Ẹ má wo Nàìjíríà tí ò gbádùn yẹn o, pé kẹ́ jọ kẹ́ ràn òun lọ́wọ́, ẹ help òun, kẹ́ jẹ́ kó òun lè máa kọ orin. Kóun tẹ̀ bá rí nǹkan tó láti máa fi kọ orin, ẹ lè má fún un lówó, but ẹ fún un ní nǹkan tóun lè máa fi ṣiṣẹ́, tóun lè máa fi tọ́jú ara òun. That's all she's asking, and I'm solicited for her. Don't send the money to me, oh please. You send anything you want to send to her. She's already given you her number. She's already given you her account number. Don't insult her and don't go and abuse her, please, because Nigeria will gbádùn. And this kind of people, this is what we have to look after. You see, Ojo Israel now is okay. He's going to finish his university. We are following him with everything he's doing. He's doing fine. As soon as they go back to school, he's going back to school. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? A blind guy is going to school with other people. And when we did an interview with him, you hear what he said? He said even though they help him write letter to the council that they should give him free education because he is blind. A disabled supposed to be looked after. But it's only Nigeria don't care about the disabled. I'm not sharing. And she's blind from birth. Maybe it's a hospital error. Maybe something happened. Nobody will come out and say it. Esther is here now. All we need to do is to support her. I don't know her, and I don't need to know her. But what I know is that she's Esther, she's from Ile-Ife, and she's blind. And what do you need to do for people that are blind? Can you imagine, as beautiful as she is, as grown up, have a kid, and to follow you back to Mbasun Koripo for you? No problem. Every judgment for God. I'm not going to decide on that one. But she's out now. God have asked her to come out. Please, whatever you have to offer, please help her. I'm begging you. We will do our own part. I'm doing my own part now, and I will go still do more than this. But you that you are watching, please help us share this and help us help her. At least Carrington Corey, you will be happy. Can you imagine we help her now and you see her singing in somewhere in America or in London? How would you feel? 31,000. You will say, yes, we invest in you. And if you are a producer, she's living in Ife. My own producer is in Lagos. We'll see how we're going to work with her to bring her in and out, to do one or two things, and let's see what she can do. And the churches that is singing, those are the places that are supposed to be helping her. And we know she look beautiful. They've been trying, but she need more help. That's why she come out. And we've been trying to get her. I've spoke to her a long time ago. But you know it's Nigeria. Only Munolo, come on in the phone, no. Or network Nigeria, come out badu as Nigeria or badu for it. Network, you know, only bad badu. So, Binu, when we are calling Nigeria and the network is floating, we understand. Because Nigeria itself will not float. Sheko yeyi Nigeria koko fure bo se nlo ni. E ma worry, am to gbodudu. Ataba ti gbodudu am lọ straight ni. Because little thing to your conscience. Can you imagine? I'm in my 50s now. And láti ìgbà yẹn ló ti ń bá iná jà Nàìjíríà. Nígbà tá a bá fi almost 60 years pínlẹ̀ wèrè, ọdún wo la tó fẹ́ ibẹ̀ sí ń já lu yẹn. Ẹ ti fi 60 years pínlẹ̀ wèrè, nothing work, àpò ara ilẹ̀ ń kó sí. Àjùmọ̀bí ó kú níjẹta. I will show you a video of a house tí wọ́n lọ lánàá. Ayé thank you there, I get you. Tán lọ lánàá tí wọ́n rí ilé tó gbà yóò gbà á ní ó ṣàṣe kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá. Oh, that not this one. Ẹbáyá wọn náà ń sọ̀rọ̀ òkú pé ẹni tó kú à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ láì dá. Ṣé ẹni tó kú gangan ṣe nǹkan tó dáa kó tó kú? Ẹni tó kú ṣé ó hùwà kí ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ láì dá? Láyé àtijọ́ lè ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ òkú bọ́bọ́ ní ìsìn bí pásítọ̀ àbí mọ́m àbí ẹnìkan bá sọ tó bá ṣe nǹkan kan tí ò make sense kí á la máa lálé ẹ̀. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Àti sọ fún yín tó ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́rọ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ fẹ́ gbẹ́ lẹ́rọ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ gbọ́ by force. Oh, thank you, yeah. Ẹ gbọ́ by force. Where is the video, jare? I kept the video yesterday. Àbá ń sọ fún yín. No. We play that video tomorrow. That's a very important video we need to play. We all need to listen to that video. Why did I keep that one now? Ajimobi o, ó dà pé ogun ẹ ti mú mi, but kò lè mú mi tán máa wọ̀rí. Ibi tó lọ lọ́rùn yẹn tó rò pé ó máa sùn rí. Ó lè sùn rí o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin òṣèlú Nàìjíríà tẹ́ ń fìyà jẹ wá. Ǹjẹ́ tẹ́ bá kú bá èèpè kẹ̀tẹ̀ tó kú lẹ́yìn tí máa gbèpè. Èpè láma fi ṣe kinní fún yín because ẹ mọ̀ pé ìlú yẹn túnṣe. A dẹ̀ ń sọ fún yín ẹjẹ́ àgbòmìnira wa ká máa bá ti wa lọ káà náà dẹ̀ la máa bó dúdú wa lọ kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa ṣe Nàìjíríà bó ṣe wù yín fẹ́ dá wa lóhùn bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbọ́ lẹ́rọ ẹ gbà lóhùn ní by force. Because bàbá ṣe ń ṣépè fún yín la máa wé pèlè yín lọ́wọ́ lójoojúmọ́ because múlù yẹn gbádùn rárá. You didn't look after the country. Ìlú tó wà fún wàrà omi gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà ń bẹ̀ but ẹ mọ̀mọ́ fẹ́ bá gbọ́ ẹ̀ jẹ́. Fídíò yẹn ni I will play it now. Ẹ má rò pé mi lè play it. I will play it. ẹ fẹ́ mú gbogbo ẹ dàrú ẹ mú lu yẹn ẹ ń ṣe bó ṣe wọ̀nyí ẹ sọ di toy ẹ sọ Nàìjíríà ẹ sọ di toy country no light no water nothing is working there ẹ wá ní Nàìjíríà ó ṣe kí nìkan ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe ń ṣe yín sọ̀hún ẹ wo ṣẹ́rí this is the video I'm gonna play it see ṣẹ́rí do you see that that's gbogbo ilẹ̀ tó gbà nìyẹn o Àjìmọ̀bí àìkúmákú ẹ̀ lọ́nà ọ̀run you see that ṣé ń rí kọ́ṣà máa wo torí wèrè lẹ́yìn náà lè lọ wo ó sì torí pàjùmọ̀bí lókè ẹjá fi ṣòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ẹ gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ká fi ṣòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ṣẹ́rí gọ́fúnà kan nìyẹn o tó kọ́ fúnra ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yẹn náà tó ọkọ̀ ń jìyà some people are suffering àwọn kan ń gbádùn look at this ṣẹ́ǹrí ex-governor Ọ̀yọ́ state ẹ bá ń sọ sí wa lẹ́nìkan ń bú àgbàlagbà wọn ní bú àgbàlagbà torí òpè ògbóyin tójú yín máa rí àwọn tó yẹ kán lọ kọjá fún Odùduwà ká gbò Odùduwà ká máa bá titi wa lọ irọ́ àpò wọn ló ń kó sí òun bàbá yìí náà ló lóun sanwó ọmọ skul kéékèèké tó ní ká máa lọ san 2,000 bífẹ́ 1,000 owó skul yeah I got you bro thank you tó ní ká máa lọ san owó skul ó dẹ̀ ń kọrọ eléyìí fún rẹ̀ owó tó fi ṣe bíi àti gbogbo ẹ̀ tó bá kó sórí primary school Nàìjíríà ṣé kò make sense báyẹ̀ pé Nàìjíríà gangan fúnra ẹ̀ ò gbádùn wọn ní béèrè question wọn ní sọ kankan wọn ní kó fìyà jẹ wọn ni tó bá ti fìyà jẹ wọn kó wá gbowó l'Àbújá that's all they do ànẹ̀yìn mú gbà àtẹ̀yìn ọ̀dẹ̀ tẹ̀ ń wò mí tẹ̀ rò pé gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ máa rí báyìí forever ẹ̀yin là ń jà fún o àwa wà òkè o because èmi níná sí yẹn yìí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé yìí ò níná àwa wà òkè pàmbí àwa 100% òkè ṣé ń rí tẹ́nìkan ṣe fúnra ẹ̀ nìyẹn Àjìmọ̀bí tó gbé fúnra ẹ̀ tó fi ń jayé tó fẹ́ fi jayé kó wá wẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ lọ́la kó wá wẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ọmọ wìrì kó wá wẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ kó tẹ̀ máa bọ̀ kó wá swim sí kó tẹ̀ wá swim ẹ bá ń bomi sí kó wá swim jọ ẹ bá ń bomi sínú kíní ẹ kó wá swim ó nídìí láti swim Àjùmọ̀bí náà ní láti swim o Àjùmọ̀bí nídìí láti swim ó nídìí láti swim gidi gan. Anyway, I won't be staying too long here. I won't be staying too long because I have a meeting I need to go into now. The meeting is already started. But if you are watching this program, let us share it because a lot of things is happening in that country. And we need to start Odùduwà. We need to start Odùduwà. The Biafra guys, I like them now. The Odùduwà guys need to start. We need to come together and start fighting for Odùduwà. We didn't want war, no war, but we want to be one ship or Rekugbuawa together. You see, people have been going around talking about Odùduwà. If you have not joined us, please join us. Let's do it. Don't bẹ̀rù ìjọba because ìjọba they want to destroy you. They have nothing for you. Tell me, what did they have for you? Where's Abiola today? Abiola that is their best friend. Where is he today? Abacha that is their best friend. Where is he? When they know that you are doing something and you become their friend, what did they do to you? Look at Tinubu today now. He kept quiet in his house. APC chairman, Otilosi North. APC chairman is now in North. Acting chairman, ọlọ́gbé fún North. Ọmọ ayọ̀ chairman gọ́gọ́ North ló máa gbé fún. Ta ló lè sọ̀rọ̀? Ṣé Tinubu lè sọ̀rọ̀? Osimole, only because the governor, let me keep quiet. Ẹgbàá Jonathan tó fún yín ní nǹkan díẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ fún ẹni tó pé kò ràn yín mọ́. Now, what do you want to do about that? Did they care about you? Did Buhari care about any one of you? We told you, we know what you do in 85. Tinú ẹ̀ ni ó ṣe. Is that how they rule a country? Ṣé bá ṣe rule country run country lọ run ẹ̀yẹn? They rule a country that make its own mind that this is what I'm going to do and nobody will change what he's going to do. When we keep shouting, they now when I say where's Osinbajo, what did they do? Nigeria magic. They give Osinbajo 2.something trillion to start building house. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó kó oṣù mẹ́ta tẹ́ máa lọ. Ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀sìn draw something good wọ́n á gbé fún office Osinbajo. That's what they always do when they see us shouting. But end of the day, look at the results. When they build the houses, when they build the road, they will still give it to the rich people and the poor people will get nothing. Every other country in the whole world, they will build houses for poor people, poor masses. They will look into the situation, give them the houses. But in Nigeria, they don't do that in Nigeria. They build the houses and give it to themselves or give it to their girlfriends. They don't care about you, care about pé níjọ́ tó dìbò ìwọ ló dìbò fún wọn ló lọ kíù síbẹ̀ o níjọ́ tó ti kíù síbẹ̀ tó ti kó mẹ́ tó ti fún ẹ ní 500 naira níjọ́ ẹ ló ti ta right yẹ. You sell your right for nothing's sake. And who do you think anybody care about that? Do you think? Nobody cares because wọ́n rán ẹ wọ́n náà dẹ̀ fẹ́ welcome to your own way. End of the day, the truth is the truth. Let's stick together. Let's start our Biafra. Let's start Odudua. No matter what anybody says, some people will come, Yibo ló ń dá wa, àwa gangan là ń dára wa. Yibo kankan ò dá wa, àwa gangan là ń dára wa. Look at the girl I showed now. Kò lójú, lè rán lọ school, and he come out for help. Later on, some of you go and abuse her. You go and abuse her, this or that. But end of the day, before things like this happen, I saw this joke. And I won't call it a joke, but it's a joke. I won't call it a joke, but end of the day, it's a joke. When the boy said all these things, I was just laughing. And the truth is that one day it will happen. Do you hear that? Do you hear that little advice? Tell about it, a moral sọ̀rọ̀ Nigeria, a gem play again, a bomb, a gem play láti be. I'll play it from here. You may think it's a joke, but these young kids, nígbà o. Listen, it's not a joke here. Yeah? When you see our young kids now, ọmọdé ìsìn wọ́n kọ̀ràn ìtẹ́wà fi ń ṣe bàbá o àwọn òràn yín wọ́n máa lọ straight to the point ni. Let me play another video again about these young kids. Nígbà tí wọ́n kí gọ́vnà wọn ìmọ́lẹ̀ tí gọ́vnà ti school wọn. Did I still have the video here? Let me see. Tí wọ́n yarí sí títí. Is it this one? No, let me see. Kò sí tó jẹ́ lójú lóòótọ́ lọ́nà ọ̀run tó wà ẹ́ nǹkan kan jẹ́ lójú ń bẹ̀ because tó bá dé ọ̀run yẹn wọ́n ná pìtìpìtì sí ẹ lára ṣèbó lóbìnrin méje ló ń bá pàdé ẹ ní aṣẹ́wó méje ló máa pàdé ẹ àwọn aṣẹ́wó yẹn dẹ̀ máa kànràn débi pé wọ́n máa ya wèrè ní. Where is the video? Let me see this one. Okay, this one. You see this? These are the young stars coming tomorrow. When you join all these young stars together, you won't believe what will happen. Before Nigeria turn our kids to talk, before Nigeria turn our kids to talks, because they are turning our kids to talk. Do you listen to the other one and listen to all these kids? They're all kids. Táwọn ò bá lè jà, àní dáadáa wo ò lè jà, àní dáadáa ò lè jà, ó lẹ́gbọ̀n tó gbójúlé, ẹ máa gbọ́.
Lára àwọn àtàwọn protest, ìkan nínú wa ó ní accident, ó lè ti gbé lọ. But ẹ bá wa sọ fún Isaka gbogbo àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba àti òbí òbí ẹlòmíì kò rí kankan gbà ní owó oṣù wọ́n gbà ní oúnjẹ jẹ ní kò sí kankan. títí àkà ọmọ Gani sẹ́nà tó wọlé kó jẹ gbé.
Can you imagine imagine pé ẹ̀ ń wo ilé lórí ọmọdé kó máa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ọmọdé ni wọ́n and they doing this kind of thing and ìwọ ojókòó òun wò òun ojí láàárọ̀ òun lọ ibiṣẹ́ láàárọ̀ ojí láago 4 ó dé ibiṣẹ́ láago 8 ó padà sílé láago 12 ó tún máa jí láago 4 jọ́ kejì ó ti kú sára ó tún délé òun náà kò sí náà ìyá máa ń jẹ yín o bọ́ tẹ bá tètè gbọ́n tẹ tètè jáde tí gbogbo ibẹ̀ sì ń kóra yín jọ ní méjì mẹ́ta ta bọ́ta ń jọ kan ṣoṣo ta protest pé enough is enough afẹ́ máa lọ kí Yorùbá kó láàrin Nàìjíríà it will be better for us káwọn ọmọ yìí tó dàgbà tọ́run lè bá dàgbà ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn tó jù wọn lọ sí ìwọ̀ yahoo ni gbogbo wọn ṣe because Nigeria ò níṣẹ́ fún wọn Nigeria have no work for them and Nigeria is the number 1 419 country that I've seen in my life. I will explain to you. They pay for your primary school, they pay for your secondary school. You pay your secondary school sometimes, some of the school. You go to university, you pay. Not all free university. Before you get into the university or polytechnic, o máa fi mú ẹ̀ fọ́ fèrè ni. Tó bá fọ́ fèrè yẹn tó ráyè wọlé tí wọ́n ní 60%, tí Fúlàní ní 40%, ẹ̀dẹ̀ jọ ń jókòó kíláàsì. Ẹ wá tún wájọ ṣe yẹn tán, ẹ wá sáàfù Nàìjíríà yín. A máa fún yín ní 20,000 oṣù. Tẹ́ bá tí wàá sáàfù wọn tán, wọ́n á dà yín sí títì, ẹ padà sí ọ̀kadà driver. Before that times happen we are in our lásìkò tí a lè ṣe Odùduwà yíbò tí rẹ́dí àti ṣe Biafra wọn jẹ́ ká náà ṣe Odùduwà ká dẹ̀ jáde ní pọ́nrọ́ kí ká sọ fún ọ pé enough is enough, this is what we want. Let's continue to listen. Ibi tí Ajúmọ̀bí ya wèrè dé ó tún da alápá síta fún ọmọ ọdún 10 tó ń sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fún wọn wọ́n pàkànnù wọn ṣe ń gbọ́ can you imagine. wọ́n ní kò ní jèrè ṣó jèrè lóòótọ́ kò lè jèrè because ó ti kú ọmọ ìwọ ló fẹ́ jèrè ẹ continue jàre. You hear that? The government now in how you don't want him again near your state. Not this Oyo one, his last one no. Itoku yẹn ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yìí o. If you are a politician tó bá ṣe dáadáa, we talk good about you. But if you do bad, we talk bad about you. We've seen them in this program say Abiola, Nigeria náà ló kúkú pa. Abiola náà gbowó ẹ̀ fún gbogbo Nigeria plus ẹni tó pa. But end of the day, Nigeria ni you never get anything good out of Nigeria. But if you are listening, tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi, it's simple. Get 10 group, 20 groups. Start talking to people. All you pastors in Nigeria, start talking about Oduduwa. Ẹ má bẹ̀rù wọn. Ṣé ńgbà tó ti ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yín kí ló rí ṣe sí? Don't say because you are not paying tax to the government, you support government, you supporting this government. My sister Funmi Evangelist Funmi came out and read their letter and said Ojisun she's using her own platform to tell everybody to get out of that country. Can you imagine if most of us did not travel out? Ṣé bí o tẹ̀ ní pa àwọn ẹbí wa kú sí Nàìjíríà? Let's continue. Can you imagine he's owing teachers another kọrú ilé yẹn ó wá débì kan ó ní owó tó ń sọ fún teacher ti pọ̀ jù. I have the video akuma kutuku ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run. Sorry, I need to stop here because we're having a meeting tomorrow. We're having a meeting now on Zoom. They'll be waiting for me to join the meeting. Please join me tomorrow, 7 o'clock, and let's continue for them from there, and let's start talking about how we get out of that country called Nigeria, because we are all tired of that country. Ìlú tí ò gbádùn, ṣe kò sómi, kò síná, kò sí nǹkan kan. We need to move forward. Ká múlẹ̀ ayé wa ká tó. Tẹ́ bá wà ní London, tẹ́ fẹ́ oúnjẹ, please get in touch with Nikki's Kitchen. Wọ́n á gbé oúnjẹ wá fún yín. Oúnjẹ àrọ́mọ̀, oúnjẹ tó dùn. Ẹ bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe party, or you're having a party, you need somebody to cook for you. The party máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ weekend yìí o. Please call us. They bring them. Or you want to do anything better, just call Nikki's Kitchen. They will come and serve you with the food. You will see all the food. Bó ṣe rí lẹ́yìn ó dẹ̀ dùn dáadáa lẹ́nu. Please don't forget, if you are in the UK and you want to have anything to do with food, don't forget. And then don't forget the big one, the magazine.
Oh yes, are you a celebrity with swag and fashion? Do you have all what it takes to be showcased? Then you don't need to worry. Bedu International Magazine has got you covered. Bedu International Magazine is specialized in fashion, politics and entertainment. We're on standby to take your event to the next level. Do you wish to be seen globally on your next event? Then Bedu International Magazine is what you need. We cover dedication, wedding ceremony, birthday party, coronation, church programs, Islamic gatherings, funerals and lots more. Remember that the whole magazine belongs to your event. Be it 50 or 100 pages, you can reach us on 077-9301-7688 and 234-701-533-8955, or visit our website www.bedroomagazine.com. Gmail, bedroomagazine@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Also, you can download our app on App Store and Google Play. Call on Bedroom Magazine today and
What we are trying to do here is to explain to you why we need to get out of that country called Nigeria. So if you want anything to say or you want to join us, get in touch with us. We will give you a link, and the link you can do anything you want to do, or you want us to say one or two things, or you want to know the people in part of it. Listen, this is not a fighting time. Anybody binu. Anybody shaking any coco, we are only going the straight way, because when you look at that country, kò favour anybody. Gbogbo wàhálà là ń rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́. Wàhálà ni lọ́sàn-án, láàárọ̀, lálẹ́. Nothing is changing. So what do you want to do? Want us to do now? Báwo la ṣe lè change ẹ̀? Ta lè move ẹ̀ síwájú tí everything lè máa lọ bó ṣe yẹ kó lọ? Because everybody ń complain. You are complaining. I am complaining. Everybody is saying something bad about the country. But now, what do we have to do to get out of that country? We need to work hard and make sure we do what we have to do to get out, because the country is not doing anything good for us. Come out and tell us the reason why how the country is doing something good for you. But now we are still waiting. We're waiting for the result. We're waiting for you all. We're waiting for you all to come together with us. We want you to come together and join us, because that's what we are doing now. We are coming together. We talk about what's happening in the world. We talk about the country. But now, as you know, the country is not favoring any one of us. People are there suffering. People are there suffering badly. And you think that country is good for you? No, it's not good for you. It's just that we are trying to manage it. But we have enough of managing. We need to come to the reality and say enough is enough. Àwọn Yíbò wọ́n ti múra láti lọ. Àwa ló kù tá à ń dúró. Tábà ní gbégé Yíbò sí wọn máa gbéra ńlẹ̀ wọ́n ń lọ nìyẹn. But end of the day, we need to join together and get out of it. The Fulani is killing us too much. Àwọn Fulani sì wọ́n ti wà lẹ́ńkulé gbogbo yín. Kọ́ńdó gbógérí ẹ̀ lẹ́bàáyìí wọ́n ká lẹ̀ ní ọmọ bẹ̀ sí lù yín parí kọ̀ọ̀kan. Before kásìkò yẹn tó dé, that's why I'm telling you that you should open your eye and see what is going on in your area. Don't be blind. Don't be blind. And join me tomorrow again, the same time, and let's do it together, and let's carry Odudua, and let's put it to the next level. Our national anthem. ṣẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ wọ́n ní ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ you are the light, so let's put on the light and let's move it on. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé lárugẹ kí gbogbo wa lè ní ìlú tó dáa, ká múra sílẹ̀ láti ṣe meeting, ká ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tá a lè ṣe. Ẹ ṣé o, thank you for joining me. Please join me tomorrow 7 p.m. and let's carry it on. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ fún àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wa pé this is going on. Thank you very much. God bless you all.